Crystal on this one.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal. If you are new here, welcome. Stay a little while, subscribe, and like the video. If you aren't new here, welcome back. I have missed you so much. So I wanted to get into doing another wig review. I have been waiting for this wig forever. It was sold out at first, and now I got my hands on it. So I am not going to hold you guys any longer. I'm going to go ahead and hop to go. I am going to be reviewing the Sensational Butta Lace. Unit 3, and I got this in a 1B. So this is the one that, you know, they had a craze for it. I think it was maybe last year, and it had sold out and never came back in, and then I just was, you know, eyeing it. So I'm so grateful. Okay, so it comes like this. It's saying that normal lace is detectable and the Butta lace is undetectable. If you can see right here, these two. And it looks like it only has a middle part, but it's saying that it's a wider parting ear to ear lace. All right, so let's go ahead and take this out of the box. And y'all know how I am, so let me concentrate because I don't want to cut no hairs off on it. So right off the package, this is what the wig looks like, and here is the curl pattern, and it comes with a little baby hairs, so we definitely want to use those and incorporate those. The lace looks light, but that could actually work in my favor because I might not have to put concealer on it. So that is what the lace looks like. And I do notice right off the back the lace is soft. The hair is also soft. I love big hair, so I probably will comb this out. So let's go ahead and get this on my head with the lace so you kind of just see what it looks like, and then we'll go ahead and cut the lace and then customize it to my head. Okay. So it comes with 3 combs on the inside. You have your 2 on the front, and then you have your 1 on the back. You also have the adjustable straps as well. So if you wanted to do maybe a side part, you probably would have to shift the whole wig to the side. But let's see how this is. Okay. So this is how it is with the lace, and I just kind of wanted to see where the baby hairs sit. All right. This is what it looks like. This is definitely big head friendly. I will say that. I don't feel that it's actually snug. I didn't move the adjustable straps to what they already had it on in the package. The baby hairs look kind of long to me, so I may have to cut them, but we'll definitely see. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and cut this lace off, and then we'll go ahead and do the baby hairs. And so what I'm going to go ahead and do, I have on like a knitted cap, and I am going to use my hair gunk. If you watch my previous videos, you know that I love this stuff. It's just basically the generic version of the Gorilla Snot, so it does work well for me. So what I'm just going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and put my edges back and put it inside of the cap. So first, okay, so this lace is kind of light. I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix powder, and this is an NC45. And I'm just going to go ahead and take a fluffy brush, which will be this brush because I used that already. And then I'm just going to go ahead and place this on the lace. So give me my color. And then I'm going to spray some Got To Be on it just to kind of seal in that powder. Okay, so now I'm going to just go ahead and take all of this down because I did also pin the hair back. So I want to go ahead and take out my baby hairs. Well, not my baby hairs, but the baby hairs it came with. And let's see if we can actually work with them, you know? So that's that. I'm just gonna go ahead and line this up as perfect as possible. So I feel like it's lined up perfect as possible. I'm going to go ahead and take this, but I want to get a little bit of the hair gunk off of it, just a little bit. And I am going to see if I can actually work with these baby hairs. So I don't have anything on my brush. I just kind of want to lay them to see if I can work with them, if they need to be cut or what. Okay. So I don't want to do that. I want to see if I curl them. What will I get? I'll be right back. I need to hold these in my hand because it's not working right. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go into my powder again, and then just do the edge. Okay, so these are now hot, so let me try to curl it. Want it. I got a little better outcome that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other scragglies, and then I'm gonna put the whole head down and come and see if that works. So right off the bat, the curl baby hairs is not giving what it's supposed to give, so I'm gonna try one more attempt at the baby hairs, and then if not, I'm just gonna have to X them out. And what I'm doing is I'm just taking the Got2b and then just like spraying the edge down so it can kind of lay. I didn't want to do any type of gel, make it hard, so that's all I'm doing. And so I'm gonna take one of these from like the middle and then break it apart, see how it looks. I like it, so I'm not gonna comb it. I'm just gonna kind of break it apart, so kind of finger comb it just a little bit, but not too much because I don't want to lose too much definition. Okay, and then this is what it looks like. So let me go ahead and take this off. Okay, and let's try to work these baby hairs a little bit more. Okay, so I like it. So this is what it's looking like after everything. Let me just turn my wand off. Um, so I wanted to kind of back up and give you guys the full scope. So this is what it's looking like. I think this is so cute. Wow. And if you don't want the baby hairs, you don't have to use the baby hairs. I wouldn't actually gel the baby hairs down. I think just it being flowy like that is good enough. Or you can just omit the baby hairs altogether. It's up to you. If you have a smaller flat iron, that'll be perfect because you're able to actually curl it how you're supposed to curl it, and then just kind of brush it out. So I'm guessing this is about, I would say a 24, maybe 26. And then I'll show you what it looks like in the back. So it comes a little past my behind, if you can see. All right, so as far as shedding, I am getting a little shedding. That is expected when you do have curly hair. And then also I did kind of lightly pull the curls apart. As far as any type of tangling, I'm not getting any tangling as of now. Normally you get tangling toward the nape of your nape area. This wig is a 10 out of 10. I definitely would recommend it. This is a nice little vacation wig. If you just need something really quick, if you maybe want to change your wigs out while you're on vacation, this would be a nice wig for that. If you don't have the butter lace wig, make sure you go and pick it up. This wig is definitely very minimal to get it to look decent. So if you're that type of person where you don't like, you know, doing too much plucking or anything like this, I think this is the wig for you, because as you've seen, I didn't do any type of plucking. The part is perfect, is wide enough, it doesn't look wiggy, it's not too small. So thank you guys so much for coming and listening to my wig review for the butter lace wig by Sensational. So if you haven't already done so, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so you are notified when I upload videos. And also, if you haven't done so already, like this video. What are you doing? Like the video. And then also I have more videos on my channel for you guys to look at. You can always recommend something to me that you would like to see. And then also just, you know, put in the comment section, where would you wear this wig to? Do you like curly wigs? Do you like straight wigs better? I want to send positive vibes your way. Have a great day if you're watching this during the day, and have a great night if you're watching this during the night. Bye.